When working with the node system inside of Modo, there are oftentimes the need to take one kind of value or number and plug it into another. In builds previous to Modo 13, if you wanted to plug in numbers or values of different types, you couldn't do it directly and needed to do a conversion process. Here in Modo 12, in our example scene, we have several different types of channels. If we try to plug in the integer into the in range, it doesn't work. It's red until we get to the distance because that's also an integer. Here in Modo 13, it is doing most of the conversion process in the background, which means we can take just about any channel and plug it into another. So inside of our cube here, we have some user channels like integer, angle, and so on. And if we grab the integer, you can see we can plug it into any of these channels because Modo is automatically converting. And we'll plug this into the in range. And now let's select the sphere and go to our user channels, and you can see we have a value coming in. Let's try something a little stranger, like plugging in the string into a distance, and you see we get 1.2 meters. In the string itself, we had 1, comma 2, comma 3. So it's doing its best to take the input and convert it to something useful. We can even do this on more complex numbers like matrices and quaternions. So we'll plug in the matrix into the quaternion, where in Modo 12 you have to do some kind of conversion to get it to work. This is automatic value conversion in Modo 13.